Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to find out sales area of any iPhone device quickly. As we know that before purchasing or while you're planning to go for bypass of any iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device, or you would like to either remove permanently, you would like to unlock, and this is very important to know before proceeding or skipping the batch activations or deactivating of device. We will have to know that what's the sales area sold zone of this device. So how do you find us? Can I check it out manually? Is it possible? Of course, let's see. Firstly, we will check it out manually. If it is not possible, then of course we will come here. As we see guys, we will have to come in about to a general. So yeah, directly you can come in the setting to a general to about in especially here. As we see right now, what's the actual especially model code of this device. So we will find out here what is the model number. Of course this is very important on the basis of we will go for it. So model number, and there is one especially a specific code last 3 1C ZA/A. What is the code of this specification? That if you don't know, then of course let's understand here. If you don't know these things, then of course just connect your data cable, and this can be also possible. Connect your 3U tool device, and here of course we will have to click on verification reports. Click on there, and upon as we see here it has scanned, and of course it has the given here sales area ZA/A. What's the area of this? Of course you will have to come on this website to find out here. This website is especially discuss.apple.com, and here of course we can see what is the code of that ZA/A. Show where it is. As we see, we will have to find out that. So of course let's there ZA means of course we will have to understand that is this phone belongs to the Singapore. Now see here ZA/A. Show ZA/show. Of course it's here that is coming from the Singapore in this device, and if I say that is what is the code of that is equal to directly 1 1. That is for Canada, and so they are all the skin. You can have the code, no problem at all, or directly you can come on this website. This link I will give you below the description box. Directly you can find out by last 3 digits of the code of this device, as well as of course you can connect in through your tool, and by free of course this tool also I will give you links in there and expiry everything, so you can have the here. But yes, this is very important, that sales area, that is a ZA.A. So last one of course we can find out in there, and that is especially now see. So ZA/A, of course this is here we can find out A, of course only if it is, then of course it's a stand for Canada, sorry, and here that's the ZA, that's from the Singapore. You can here have it. So this is all about. Further more inquiry, of course please they have the query below the comment box, so pleasure would be mine to reply on the query. If you find it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like, subscribe, and share of these concerns. Yes, maybe, of course, beneficial for me also, and this will really inspire me to max such as informative video furthermore. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.